Hi Scorpio, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 27th of September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Ten of Pentacles, Two of Cups and Death card. Person B here has the Five of Wands, Magician card and the Emperor card. Bottom of the deck I have the Hermit card, which is Virgo energy. This means that either you or both of you are currently in that self-reflecting mode where you are doing a lot of self-reflection to understand what has happened, how things have happened and how can you correct this situation also. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have 10 of Pentacles. With 10 of Pentacles, it means that for you currently, it looks like that everything is in place, okay? Your family situation, the finances, everything looks in place. There's nothing wrong and you are having a very comfortable life. The next card for you is Two of Cups. It means that you also have emotional feelings for this person. Both of you feel connected to each other. You also have this feeling that there's an emotional connection between the two of you. However, with the Death card being there, there could be some kind of a transformation which is still required in this relationship. For person B here, they have Five of Wands, which means that there are people around them that's causing a lot of stress and anxiety to them. The next card is a Magician card and that's a major arcana. The third card also is the Emperor card, which is Aries energy, and that's also another major arcana. Now with Magician energy, this person wants to command all the four elements of this universe to go ahead and work in their favor. With the eternity symbol that we have here, this person is in a very powerful energy. So when you go to a magic show, right, you see what that magician wants you to see. The same energy this person has. They want you to go ahead and do things and maybe see things the way they want you to see it. They will also go ahead and lead the situation because their next card is the Emperor card, which is the father of the deck, and they lead the situation. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the intention of this person. So the first card is the Seven of Wands, Two of Pentacles and the Death card again. With the Seven of Wands, this person is trying to defend themselves. If you see, this person has kind of built a wall around themselves and they are trying to defend themselves from something. With Two of Pentacles, there could be some juggling that this person was doing and that needs to end with the Death card, which means transformation is required. Now let's quickly see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle card. So the message that I see is your hard work is paying off. So the kind of hard work that you have put in this relationship, it will eventually pay off. You just need to have a little patience and trust Mother Nature or the Supreme Power and things will fall in place. Now let's quickly also see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Rutilated Quartz. The crystal message is, are you ready to move forward with your life? You have the courage within you to move ahead with your ideas by getting the wheels in motion to create your project or intention. Recognize the amazing, powerful person that you are and shine on. With this, there's also a message here from Archangel Uriel that I'll go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell notification. It keeps me motivated to go ahead and create videos for all of you every week. With this, like I always say, please stay safe. Love yourself first.